Ram has done a good job of hiding its next generation trucks from the public, but one of our spy photographers finally glimpsed the pickup with very little camouflage. One truck was even wearing just its factory paint job. From what we can see, this Ram will be a big departure from the current generation. Up front are the most significant changes. Ram trucks since the mid-90s have been distinguished by their big rig looks that consisted of low-mounted headlights, and a tall, proud grille. That grille was also made all the more prominent by how the middle of the hood met the top of the grille, while the sides of the hood and the fenders dipped down toward the headlights. This traditional look has mostly disappeared. The headlights have been raised up to the top of the grille opening. Now the grille drops below the lights. There is still a hint of the old style in the hood, but the look is very different. That hood and the front bumper also are more sculpted and detailed to emphasize the truck's toughness, and the hood now features a badge with the model of truck and its engine. The dark red truck in the photos has a 5.7-liter V8. The grille appears to be missing the classic crosshairs, too, and instead there's just one horizontal bar. It's possible this is just for this trim level, since the current Ram has a variety of grilles sans crosshairs. Moving around the truck, the changes are less radical. The Ram's flanks are still impressively clean and uncluttered, featuring simple, organic curves. The taillights are more detailed now, and the turn signals and reverse lights have little swoops in them. The tailgate is very clean, too, and the various holes in the back indicate that there will be no shortage of badging and garnish options at the rear. Expect to see all the details in the near future, in time for the 2019 model year.